At Maths is a Must, question day 13. Diagram 17 shows a circle PSUTQ with center O and radius 6 cm. So you have a circle here. Okay, and the center is at O. Right. So if I draw a line here, so this is the radius. Okay, this is the radius of the circle. And if I draw a line here, this is also the radius of the circle. This is also the radius of the circle, where the length is 6 cm. So this one is 6 cm. Okay. POQ. POQ. Right? POQ, which one? POQ is an arc with the center of U. With the center of U. So, meaning that, okay, you have a sector like this. Okay, so you have a sector like this, where here P, here U, here Q, here O. And then, given that ST, this line, okay, is parallel to PQ. So these two lines are parallel lines. Okay. ST equals 6. Okay, ST equals 6. So this one 6 cm. And angle POQ is 120. Angle POQ. So this one. Okay. POQ. This angle is 120 degrees. So if I draw a line here, and I draw a line here, this is also the radius of the circle, meaning that this is also 6 cm. SO and OT is also 6 cm because SO and OT is actually the radius of the circle. So if I take out this triangle, okay, that triangle actually, okay, here S, here T, here O, where here to here 6 cm, here to here 6 cm, here to here 6 cm, meaning that this angle is 60 degrees. Equilateral triangle. Okay, SO equals to OT equals to ST. That is 6 cm. Okay, so the first question asks you to calculate the angle SOT in degrees. So angle SOT is 60 degrees. Done. Next, B, calculate the area of segment STU. Segment STU meaning this one. STU is actually a segment of a sector SUTO. Okay, so you can take out this sector. So this sector, the angle here is 60 and the radius is cm. You want to find the area of the segment, this part. So we can find the area of the sector OTUS, okay, minus the area of the triangle, this triangle, minus this part. Okay, that triangle is triangle SOT. Okay, where just now this one 6 cm, this one 6 cm, this one 6 cm, and the angle here is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So to find the area of the segment, we can use the formula half r squared theta, area of sector formula, minus area of triangle half AB sine theta. You can use solution of triangle formula. So we apply the formula. The radius of the sector is 6 cm and the angle there is 60 degrees. Convert to rad, minus, to find area of the triangle. Okay, let's say you are using this side and this side, so you must use this angle. So half times 6 times 6 sin 60. You akan dapat 3.263. Next, C. Show that the perimeter of the shaded region is 6 sub pi plus 6 plus 2 pi. So this is a shaded region. To find the length, to find the perimeter of the shaded region, you need to find the length of ST, where ST length is given that is 6 cm. Okay, and then the length of PQ, right? And then the length of arc PS, and then the length of arc TQ. First, we find the length of arc PSUQ. Okay, find the length of arc PSUQ. Okay, to find the length of arc PSUQ, okay, the blue color is the arc length. The radius is 6 cm and the angle there is 120. Okay, angle POQ, right? Angle POQ started here 120 degrees. So you can use the formula R theta formula. Okay, and then minus dengan the length of arc SUT. The length of arc SUT. Okay, SUT, where the center is at O. Okay, where from the first part of the question, okay, kita dah dapat tadi dekat sini 60 degrees. The radius is the same, that is 6 cm. So you minus. Once you minus, you akan dapat part ini saja, PS and TQ. Okay, one more time. Find the all together here to here, where this is PQ, PSUQ arc length. PSUQ arc length. Okay, the blue color. Okay, and then minus width, you tolak dengan here to here, where this is actually arc length SUT. To find the arc length SUT, okay, kita guna this sector. Okay, this sector. Where this sector, this one. Then kita dapatlah dekat sini PS and ST. PS and TQ. Okay, so using the formula R theta, R is 6, theta 120, convert to rad, minus this one R theta, R is 6, theta is 60 degrees, convert to rad. So you akan dapat, okay, after calculate, you will get 2 pi. So PS, arc PS plus arc TQ length is 2 pi. Okay, the next step is you need to find the length of PQ. To find the length of PQ, we can use this triangle, where just now given that this angle POQ, okay, is given 120 degrees, and then the radius is 6 cm, right? Now you can find the length of PQ using this triangle. So let's check out this triangle. So from here, you have two options. Either you are use Tuas-Ocha, theorem Pythagoras, or maybe you are use sine rule. If you want to use sine rule, you can take length of PQ over sine 120. Okay, so this one boleh silang. Why? Because since this one is 6 cm, this one 6 cm, so now you have isosceles triangle, meaning that here the angle is 30 degrees, here is 30 degrees. Okay, so let's use sine rule. So we take PQ over sine 120, PQ over sine 120. Okay, PQ over sine 120, and then you can take 6 over sine 30. 6 over sine 30. So boleh silang. 6 over sine 30. So since the question asks you to give answer in surd forms, so sine 120 is equals to sine 60, where the value of the sine 60 you can get it from this triangle. Okay, so this one you have learnt in trigo, so you can use this triangle where sine 60 in surd form is surd 3 over 2. Okay, where sine 120 the value is equals to sine 60 value. So for special angle sine 60, okay, it is surd 3 over 2. So put in the formula, PQ over sine 120 is equals to sine 60, that is surd 3 over 2. Sine 60 value is 1 over 2. So the value of PQ, after you simplified it, you will get 6 surd 3. You can also find PQ, okay, using Tuassocha. Okay, we can draw a line here. Okay, so altogether angle here is 120, right? So after you divide by 2 the triangle, so here is 60 degrees. Here is 60 degrees. Okay, here 60, here 60. So if I take out this triangle, okay, your triangle now become like this. O, P, and this is the midpoint. Now we want to find this length. Okay, here you have 30 degrees. Okay, here you have 60. And here is 6 cm. So to find PM, you can use sine. Sine 60 is opposite is PM side over hypotenuse side. So PM over opposite over hypotenuse, PM over 6. So from there, okay, simplify. PM is 6 times sine 60. Okay, where sine 60 value, okay, because the question asks you to give answer in surd form, so please use this value, surd 3 over 2. So sine 60 is surd 3 over 2. Then you will get 3 surd 3. Okay, we want to find PQ, where just now we get PM. So to find PQ, PQ is 2 PM. So PM just now is 3 surd 3. So that's why the result is 6 surd 3. Okay, so the same as this method. Okay, so either you will use sine rule, solution of triangle formula, or using Tuassocha. You can also find PQ using Tuassocha theorem. Okay, theorem particulars. So done. We find out already all the side lengths. So we total up everything. So perimeter of the shaded region is given by ST length is 6 cm, arc PQ plus arc PS length, we have 2 pi, and then the length of arc, the length of PQ is 6 surd pi. So 6 surd 3, sorry. Then shown. Done.